Welcome back to A High Hilltops. My name's Dave, and if this is your first time to the channel, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to go out with the chainsaw, the tractor, and maybe get the brush hog out later, but we're going to do some more land clearing. There's some stuff in the pasture, a couple trees and some heavy brush we're going to try to get rid of, and eventually we're going to work the brush pile with the chipper, get y'all some action with that. So stick around, and I hope y'all enjoy. All right, so to start, we're gonna go ahead, see if we can't hook a chain up into these trees here, these smaller ones, and see if we can't just go ahead and pull them up out of there. Down here, it's very soft still, got a lot of spring water running out. So traction might be an issue. If it is, we'll just go ahead and cut them down at the stump and get the backhoe on them later on. There's a brush pile we got there from clearing out the fence right away up there. I'll go ahead and show you that real quick. I've still got to go and clean a lot of the smaller stuff out, but we do have a path going up through there, all the way to the upper flat. And I should be able to make it about 8 foot wide, which would be plenty enough to maintain and such. Here's a pile of wood we got from it. That was some beneficial work there. All right, we'll get you set up and see if we can't pull those trees out. Alright y'all, so I'm going to switch up the plan a little bit. After looking at these box elders, I'm pretty sure they're sharing the same root ball, at least these two. That one is probably connected to the main trunk. So I'm just going to cut these, drag them out, and get a little firewood out of some of it. But I don't believe I'm going to be able to pull them out by the roots. So I'm just going to save myself the hassle, especially with all the mud. So I'll set you up, we'll drop these and clean up the brush. Alright, so I wanted to show you all this. I'm no expert in it or anything, but I'm starting to play around with plunge cutting. And the reason that I'm plunge cutting these for basically just for practice, because it's not really necessary on these ones, but the main reason to plunge cut, from my understanding, is to keep it from barber chairing. So all I did was on the left side here, I stuck the bar through. I cut back and saved about 1 inch of the tab or release strap, however you want to call it, and then cut out the wedge, and then I dressed up to the wedge about 3/4 of an inch higher than the skinny side of the wedge. Now I'm just going to cut my tab, and should go ahead and fall pretty smooth for us. Pretty cool. All right, so we got those down. It went pretty smooth. Now we just got a mega mess. So I'm gonna get working on that. Brought the second string cleanup crew with me, and they're enjoying it. This wouldn't be bad, but there's just so many vines in it. It's gonna be tough, but we'll get through it. All right, so just a quick update for you guys. We gotten 2 of the smaller trees cleaned up. It's super hot and humid. I mean, I am absolutely soaked in sweat. Just doing a little bit at a time and taking a break. That's about all you can do. Definitely don't want to overdo it out here and lead to bad things. So we're just taking our time, cleaning it up a little bit as I go. I might have to start another brush pile here, or I may go in and get things to start burning and just go ahead and burn it as I clean it up. So sometimes that's the easiest. I like to chip it and all, you know, just to use the chips for a base around the barn and walking paths and things, but sometimes burning is just the easier option. So we'll see, and I'll keep you all updated. All right, guys, final update for you. We went ahead and just started burning it. The brush pile's going pretty good. I'll go ahead and show you the cleanup there. All right, so that's what's left of the brush pile. Still have that one there, but we're down to just cutting up some of the bigger firewood. Got most of it cut up except for these tops right here. Working, going pretty good. It'll be nice to have this all open now to see clear to the other end of the pasture. Well, with that being said, the camera's about to die, and I thank you all for tuning in. I hope you enjoy these videos. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you next time on High Hilltops. Y'all take care.